Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another unboxing and showcasing my date run of silver Kookaburras. For those of you that haven't yet seen this box was made for me by Nick over at Valui. It actually holds, I think it holds 60 coins in total. So it's got plenty of spaces for me to fill with this date run in the future. The last coin that I put in there was 2025, and you can see we've still got plenty more years ahead that I can actually use this box. And it's got lots of different layers, and it's a really nice way of storing and showcasing the collection. But let's get straight into the video. Now, I believe this is a Kookaburra unboxing, and that is because I'm not exactly sure. I haven't opened it yet, but I have written on the other side, on my address label side, Kookaburra ? So I'm hoping that's what's inside, and let's have a little look. This is my 365 Days of Silver knife. I actually had this custom made quite a while ago now, and I've only just found it again. It fell down behind my desk, and I've recently sharpened it as well with the help of Cider Soundman's video tutorial that he sent me on how to sharpen knives. So we've gone straight into the package here, and let's see if I got this one right. Now, strong start from looking at it that side. And yes, it is another Kookaburra. Now, this is a 1994 Kookaburra. So this is one of the older years, and this has actually arrived in one of the original capsules. Now, I believe most of the coins, if not all of them, when they were first released, were sent out in these square capsules. You can see it says Australia across here. And quite often with these capsules, you get toning on the coins around the edge, and that is because they've actually got small holes in them. So you'll find when you pick up the older years of Kookaburras, if they've been kept in these original capsules, although they're really nice and it's a nice little bit of history when they arrive in this capsule, it's not very good for slowing down the toning, because the less the coin is exposed to the air, the longer they stay shiny for. But absolutely incredible design. I really like the fact that you've got two of them sitting on the branch. A lot of the older Kookaburras have this really distinctive font. It's a really bold capital letter font around the outside of the coin. Absolutely love it. Really nice. Now, a lot of these older year versions of the Kookaburras, they contain quite a large premium. So when you're doing a date run of Kookaburras, it's worth setting yourself a nice realistic timescale to be able to collect them all. I've set myself 2 years to complete this collection, and that is because I don't want to be rushing through and just buying coins and paying over the odds for them. I'd rather take my time and scope out the best prices. But let's get this straight into the box. Now, this is 1994, so it's going to be probably, I would say, the first layer, because this collection started in 1990. So yeah, it's going to be right at the bottom of the box. So let's get these layers out the way. This is my favorite layer. This is the one that's almost complete. It'll be so nice when I complete one of these trays. But this is the closest tray that I have to being fully completed. But you can see this is the bottom layer of the box. And you can see there's a space there for 1994. We're actually going to transfer it into this capsule so that they're all in the same capsules. I'm not sure how easy these are to open, because this is the first time I've actually had one arrive in a square capsule, and I've actually wanted to take it out because I have got some of these Kookaburras in these square capsules in my deep stack, and I left them in the capsules because the toning was looking really nice, and it was really nice to have a little bit of history with the capsule being original. But for this one, we're going to be taking it out and carefully putting the knife in and twisting it. I'll do that all the way around. think I can get in there now. Yeah, there we go. So once you've done that, it literally just pops open, but extremely secure, that capsule. While we've got it open to the air, let's give you a proper showcase of this coin. Let's try and lock the focus in a little bit. Really, really nice design. Extremely well looked after, this coin. Looks like it's never left that capsule. I can't see any micro scratches or anything like that on there. Very, very nice indeed. But let's carefully put that there. Let's get this one open. And this is the capsule that we're going to be transferring it into. Ooh, let me just do that. All right. Okay, right, so I'm going to try and not touch this and just tip it in. Yep, that worked extremely well actually. There we go. Didn't even have to touch the edges of the coin. But there we go. So that is now in the same capsule as all of the rest of the Kookaburras in the collection. And we're going to slot that just in there like that. So absolutely incredible. Fits in there like a glove. Like I said, this was custom made by Nick over at Valui. It's quite cool. I've got this original capsule as well. Keep hold of that. Really nice bit of history. It's got a real vintage feel to it, that capsule has. But there we go. So we're slowly completing this box. Like I said, I've given myself 2 years to complete this collection, so there's no rush at all. I'm just enjoying the journey. I've had a number of people in the community reach out and let me know what duplicates they've got of any particular year, and I've been picking those up along the way as well. But we'll pop them all back in there for now. Really appreciate you watching today's video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.